Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony. I'm Emma and today we're going to crochet a mini flower. Super easy and super fast. This tutorial is made for beginners and even absolute beginners. You don't need to make a magic ring, you don't need any sewing even for hiding the tails, and you can make this flower with any yarn that you have and a proper hook. So let's get started. I used a 2mm hook to make these flowers, but in this video I want to use a 3mm hook. If you are a beginner or an absolute beginner, it's better to start with a 3mm hook. And I want to use this color. First, we're going to make one slip knot. You only need your finger, your index finger, make an X shape here, and make one slip knot. This is the loop, this is the slip knot, this is the short tail, and this is the working tail. I want to insert my hook inside of the slip, hold the knot with your fingers, and pull the working tail. You can hold the hook like a knife or like a pencil. And to hold the working tail, you can hold it like this. But I just want to hold it with my index finger. Now I want to show you how to yarn over. To yarn over, you need to take your hook to down, then behind of the yarn, the working yarn, twist your hook and grab the working tail. Let me show you again. Down, behind, twist, and grab the working tail. Now I want to show you how to chain. First, you need to yarn over, grab the working tail, and pull it through the slip. This is one chain. See? It was easy. Again, yarn over and pull through. Now we have two chains. Again, yarn over, pull through. Again. See, like that. To count the chains, you need to count the V shapes. Do you see these V shapes here? See them? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We need 10 chains. 9 and 10. If you accidentally chained more, now I have 11 chains. You need to take out your hook, pull the working tail, and this is it. This is how we undo a chain. Again, insert your hook. Now I want to make a circle. This V shape is the very first chain that I made. I want to insert my hook inside of the chain. You see there are two loops of the chain on my hook. Yarn over, pull through the chain. Now you have two loops on your hook. I'm going to pull this one through this one. So grab it and pull it through. We call that slip stitch. You need to pull it to make it tight. I'm going to bring the short tail to here, right there. Great. Now you need to chain 2. 1 and 2. Now I want to show you how to make a treble crochet. First, you need to yarn over twice, like this. One time, hold it on your hook. 2 times. You see, now I have 3 loops on my hook. Hold them on your hook and insert your hook inside of the circle. Yarn over, pull through. Now you must have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you must have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is one treble crochet. So first I chained 10, then I made a circle, and after that chained 2, and then made a treble crochet. I'm going to bring this treble crochet close to the 2 chains like this. They need to be tied and close together. Now I want to make another treble crochet. So first yarn over twice, insert your hook inside of the circle, yarn over and pull through the circle, make 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Make it tight. Now I have 2 treble crochets. I'm going to make another treble crochet, so yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, make 4 loops on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now I have 3 treble crochets. Make it tight. Don't skip this part, you have to make them tight. Now you need to chain 2. So after 3 treble crochets, you need to chain 2. Now insert your hook inside of the circle, yarn over and pull through. Pull this loop through this one. So grab it and make 1 slip stitch. Make it tight. Now you need to chain 2 again. 1 and 2. After the 2 chains, now you can make it tight. Like this. See? We have 2 chains here. Now we need 3 treble crochets. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through, and pull through. Make it tight. Again, yarn over twice. Make it tight. And again, another treble crochet. Make it tight. Now I have 2 chains here and 3 treble crochets. Again, I want to chain 2 and 1 slip stitch inside of the circle. Make it tight. Now chain 2, and now you need to make it close to other stitches. This is how we make them. 2 chains, 3 treble crochets, and again 2 chains and 1 slip stitch. You need to repeat this 5 times around the circle. Now I want to repeat it for the last time. And now 1 slip stitch. Make it tight. Now I want to cut the yarn. Okay, now I want to show you how to hide the tails without needle. This is my hook. I want to insert my hook from the back side inside of here. Now I want to grab the yarn tail and pull it through there. Just like this. Pull it. You see that? Now I want to tie a knot here with these two tails. One and two. Now you can cut the tails. So this is how we make a flower. You can make a lot of them and connect them together and make, I don't know, scarf or a coaster or even a bag and clothes, I think. If you're looking for absolute beginner's tutorial, don't forget to watch this video too. It's super easy and super fast, trust me. And don't forget to ask me your questions in the comments. See you guys!